Long-term sustainability in the holistic approach is ensuring that we're growing crops that are not mining the soil, but actually building the soil for increased yield potential in future years. I am convinced that what we are doing on our farm will ensure that future generations, whether it be our family or other families, will be able to maintain productivity in the land that we're farming. Our farm is 1,800 acres. It's a family farm. It was established in 1918 by my grandfather, John Chorney. I'm the farm manager now, looking after the farm. We call it John Chorney Farms in honor of my grandfather and father, and we just continue to operate as a family farm. With our farming practices now, we produce a lot of crop with high yielding potential. In my father's day, when he farmed, summer fallow was part of the process for weed control. It took crop land out of production during those years, and the yields weren't as great during the years that they were in production. Prior to crop protection products, prior to biotechnology, the only method of controlling weeds has been cultivation. Now, I guess I don't have any planned summer fallow generally. I can clean up fields by growing different crops. We try to take a very integrated approach to how we manage the resources on our farm. It starts with the fertilizer program, the weed control program, the crop diversity that we grow. We're trying to ensure that what we're doing is complementary in 1 year, complementary to future years of operation. The biotech crops have given us the opportunity to look at our rotation on a holistic approach. If we look at canola, winter wheat, soybean, spring wheat type rotation, it is a diverse approach that is sustainable long term for our crop and our farm viability. Without crop protection products, we would not be able to farm the acres we're farming. It would be very difficult to be as diverse and grow the different crop varieties and be as productive as we are without crop protection products. Using new products is a very important part of our farming operation. We really welcome research into our crops because with research comes more disease resistance, more opportunities for us to grow crops that have higher yields. Practices that we're using on our farm to help mitigate climate change really come down to our overall operation. We're using a 10% biodiesel blend in our fuel to reduce the greenhouse gas impact of the tractors we run. We're reducing our tillage operations from what we used to do to reduce the number of gallons of diesel fuel we use on a per acre basis. Farmers are a lot more aware of climate change impacts. All of our practices, whether it be the reduced tillage that we're doing, whether it be the fuel that we're burning, or our fertilizer practices, or the chemicals that we're using, we're definitely a lot more conscious of it and are using the latest in technology to ensure that we're not having an environmental impact. In our area here, we have a quite diverse environment. We have lakes relatively close. We have a fair amount of bushland in around our area. We have cropland that is utilized for the crop production. And working with all of these ecosystems that are out there is very important. Water and land is what we use to produce our crops. It's important for the long-term sustainability of agriculture and society as a whole. I think future generations on the farm are going to have all kinds of opportunity and challenges to meet production requirements. And I believe that our stewardship of the land right now is critical to ensure that crop production is going to be able to meet the production challenges in the future.